Construction has shaped the world we live in today, and if it fascinates you as much as it does us, you need to check out these new technologies in the construction industry. When it comes to maintaining road quality and preventing vehicle damage, Agrofill offers amazing and efficient repair technology. This product is ideal for quickly and permanently repairing potholes, ensuring that surfaces are ready for traffic in record time. The Agrofill process is simple and effective. A worker arrives with 2 bags. The first contains bitumen-coated chips, known as Agro, which are perfect for filling potholes up to 6 centimeters deep. These chips, ranging from 14 to 20 millimeters, are used together with thermoplastic filling worms to ensure a strong and durable repair. The construction technology behind Agrofill is characterized by its speed. By heating the chips and worms with a burner, a resilient top layer is formed, allowing vehicles to drive over the repair in just 20 minutes. This amazing solution minimizes downtime on the road. When it comes to spray coatings, Titan is the brand you can trust. The company has revolutionized the market with its innovative replacement for EPDM roofing membrane using advanced foam. This innovative foam coating offers impressive performance at a thickness of just 2.5 centimeters. Its thermal transfer resistance is a remarkable 7, compared to approximately 2.5 for an insulated brick wall. This technological advance ensures superior thermal efficiency and provides an excellent barrier against heat. And what's really amazing and hard to believe, Titan's foam does not shrink over time due to its superior insulation properties, ensuring longer life. Its design also prevents the growth of mold and mildew, keeping the environment free of moisture problems. The foam effectively repels insects, reducing the risk of infestation. Another key benefit is its ability to reduce drafts and noise. This makes Titan foam an ideal choice for both residential and commercial buildings, providing a quieter and more comfortable environment. With these features, Titan foam is establishing itself as an innovative and effective solution in the world of roof coatings, offering superior performance and versatility. AFS LogicWall redefines the standard in permanent formwork with a number of features that streamline the construction process. One of the most notable aspects of AFS LogicWall is the ability to customize panels, simplifying and speeding up site preparation. This customization makes it possible to adapt to the specific needs of each project, minimizing the need for additional adjustments. The AFS LogicWall production process is remarkably efficient. It takes only 8 days from plan approval to delivery of the finished formwork, ensuring rapid delivery of materials to keep the project moving without significant delays. Can you believe that? In addition, AFS LogicWall panels are designed for manual installation, which is particularly advantageous on sites where crane access is not possible. This installation flexibility allows for use in a variety of environments and conditions. The range of sizes available is also wide and versatile. Panels can reach a width of 1.1 meters and a height of 4.2 meters. For projects requiring larger dimensions, the manufacturer is willing to explore custom options, ensuring the product's adaptability to different needs. Stroll's Pebble Lock is the ideal solution for transforming a worn-out parking lot or any parking area with a modern and sustainable approach. This innovative system uses 24mm high mats to secure crushed stone, granite chippings, and other loose materials, providing an attractive and functional alternative to traditional asphalt or concrete paving. Who doesn't like easy installation? The system is designed for do-it-yourself installation, eliminating the need to hire professionals and reducing the costs associated with renovations. This makes it an accessible option for DIY projects. The surface created with Pebble Lock is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also functional. It allows water to drain effectively, preventing ponding and improving the safety and durability of the area. For best results, it's recommended to use pebbles of 8 to 14 millimeters in size to ensure even coverage and a clean, attractive finish. Lieb Balconies is the only manufacturer of balconies and balustrades in Europe with the prestigious ISO 901 certification, a recognition that guarantees its commitment to quality and excellence. This certification not only allows them to participate in government tenders, but also to market their products nationwide with complete confidence. Although their balconies may appear ordinary at first glance, Lieb Balconies incorporates several advanced technologies that set them apart. One of the most impressive aspects is the aluminum alloy used, which is 20% stronger than others on the market. This alloy is combined with an Alu Comfort powder coating, which provides exceptional durability. Lieb balconies are designed to withstand extreme conditions such as hail. In resistance tests, these balconies can withstand the impact of a 50-kilogram pendulum, demonstrating their robustness and reliability. A key detail in their durability is the multi-layer structure. A special film is placed between two pieces of glass, while the advanced AlloComfort Plus painting technology offers a finish that mimics the appearance of wood, combining aesthetics with functionality. Aerolift is revolutionizing the construction industry with its innovative system, capable of lifting entire houses. Each tower of this amazing system is designed to support up to 20 tons, providing an effective solution for foundation repairs, footings, or excavations without obstacles. With a maximum lifting height of 5.2 meters, Aerolift provides ample space for heavy machinery, such as excavators, facilitating construction and maintenance tasks. This lifting capacity ensures that large jobs can be carried out with ease and precision. But that's not all, because it makes us question how far construction technology can go. When the weight of the house exceeds the capacity of the 4 standard towers, Aerolift allows additional towers to be added to increase the load capacity, adapting to the specific needs of each project. This flexibility is key to handling projects of varying sizes without compromising safety or efficiency. In addition, the Aerolift manufacturer provides training for workers unfamiliar with the system, ensuring a smooth transition and optimal use of the equipment. In the United States, the aging water system experiences an alarming 240,000 leaks per year, highlighting the importance of proper maintenance to prevent serious problems. Pipeline systems are critical to infrastructure and require meticulous attention to ensure optimal performance. Did you know that a simple mistake in pipe installation could lead to catastrophic damage to roads and railways? Proper installation of drainage pipes not only prevents water loss, but also protects these critical structures, which can be severely impacted when pipeline systems fail. Installing these pipes is a complex process involving multiple steps, from precise assembly to advanced waterproofing techniques. Pipe installation specialists must work meticulously to ensure that each stage of the process is carried out with the utmost precision. This includes the proper alignment and assembly of the pipes, as well as the installation of seals and coatings that prevent leaks and ensure the durability of the system. The Kawazo LiftBot is a milestone in lifting technology with an impressive track record ranging from ExxonMobil's refinery to major lifting projects in the U.S. Designed to transform site efficiency, it offers outstanding performance with fast installation and remarkable load capacity. The Kawazo LiftBot can be installed and operational in less than half an hour. Once operational, it can lift loads at a speed of 42 meters per minute, allowing construction workers to easily lift up to 6 tons in an 8-hour shift. This speed and capacity optimize work time and increase productivity on the job site. And that's not all. The Kawazo LiftBot has a standard lift height of 50 meters, with the option to extend this height according to project requirements. It's powered by electricity and runs for 10 hours on a fully charged battery. Charging is simple and can be done from a standard 110 or 220-volt outlet, making it easy to integrate into different work environments. In addition to its exceptional performance, it contributes to a safer and more efficient construction process, reducing labor costs by up to 44%. Its advanced technology not only improves site safety, but also provides an economical and effective solution for lifting loads. The Parthenon OSD system is designed to meet the challenge of stormwater storage with impressive capacity and efficient installation. Though not as ancient or iconic as the famous Greek temple, the Parthenon OSD stands out for its colossal size and robustness. Under normal conditions, the Parthenon OSD system can store up to 8 million gallons of water. This large capacity allows it to handle significant amounts of stormwater, protecting infrastructure and the environment from potential flooding. But great functionality is useless without a great installation system, and the Parthenon OSD installation is remarkably fast. The system components arrive in the morning, and the system is installed and covered with dirt by the evening. This efficiency in the installation process is a significant advantage for projects that require a quick turnaround. In addition to its impressive capacity and quick installation, the Parthenon OSD offers exceptional durability. When placed under a road, it can support the safe passage of 4-axle trucks, demonstrating its strength and reliability under demanding conditions. Customers also have the option to customize the system by adding extras such as filters and wash pipes, tailoring the Parthenon OSD to the specific needs of each project. Liked what you saw? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.